The first step is to turn on your phone. Watch the videos as the next step. Making money on a consistent basis is step 3. It's that simple. Watching videos is one of the simplest ways to make money online. So today, I'll show you how to earn $1.50 for each video you watch. How do you go about it? We'll find out soon enough. Welcome to Financial Fluence, and here's how to make money online simply by watching videos. Let me now display a list of the global individuals who have withdrawn their revenue from our website. Therefore, you might be wondering how much money you can actually make by watching movies. You can make up to $1.50 for one video. Therefore, if you watch 10 videos, you can make up to $15. Additionally, you can make up to $30 by watching 20 videos. And you can now make up to $75 for watching 50 videos. And all you require is a smartphone, PC, or laptop. You don't need to invest any money at all in the technique I'll be showing you today because it's completely free. Additionally, you can do this from anywhere in the world because it is accessible. Before we continue, it should be noted that only a small portion of the viewers of my videos actually subscribe. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing with notifications enabled. It's free and you can always change your mind afterwards, so that you can be among the first to apply any new and innovative strategies I develop for making money online. I will let you know as soon as I come up with them. I naturally earn the most money as a result. Let's return to the video now. So this is the website we'll be using today, right here. You can see that they have paid more than $2.5 million to more than 1 million members worldwide here at the top. Let's go on to the registration process now. Therefore, simply click the register icon in the upper right corner. And that will then direct you to this particular page where you can sign up to become a member at no charge. Now all you have to do is enter your full name, birth date, username, password, and email address. And just confirm your password and email address here. You may now input the payment information for the location where you want to receive your money after that. You have a variety of payment methods to choose from, including Payeer, Bitcoin, NetTeller, Skrill, AirTM, Litecoin, Dash, and Faucet Pay, as you can see. Having said that, I want you to leave a comment below and let me know your preferred method of payment. Additionally, I'll try to document that in videos. You can proceed with the image verification right here after selecting your preferred payment option. Therefore, all you need to do is key in the letters and numbers that are displayed below. After agreeing to the terms of service, simply click register to complete the process. So that I don't forget, this website's domain name is scarlet-clicks.info. This is what your account will look like once you log in. You'll see a picture with numerous little boxes in it. As a result, the position may be seen if you move your mouse over the last box in the lower right corner of the image. There are 20 by 28 boxes in all. This means that there are 560 boxes in this image, with each box representing a single video. So all you have to do to start earning money is click on one of these boxes. This will take you to a page at random. To be paid, you only need to stay for at least 30 seconds. For example, clicking on this box will take me to this page. All I have to do now is wait 30 seconds. You're under no obligation to do anything. Simply stay on the page and wait. You don't have to do anything, and you don't even have to sign up. The possibilities are endless because, as you can see, there are 560 boxes to choose from. You'll simply keep earning money over and over. To summarize, you will simply click on any box you desire and then remain on that page for approximately 30 seconds to earn money. You may be wondering, where does the video watching part go? When you click on one of these boxes, a video ad will usually appear. That's great news because video ads will double your earnings. So all you have to do is stay on that page until the video ends, and you will earn twice as much as usual. Another thing is that these pages occasionally contain banner ads that look like this. Now you're going to click on these banner ads because each time you do, you'll earn more money. So what I mean is that you should keep clicking ads whenever you come across them because they will make you more money. Simple as that. Allow me to click on this banner ad right now. And that will bring me to this page where I will have to do nothing. As I previously stated, you are under no obligation to do anything. Please let me know that you're still watching by leaving a comment below if you're still viewing this portion of the video. Given that you're still watching, I'll give you an extra suggestion for increasing your income. And the way to do it is by mentioning others. Therefore, all you need to do is ask your family, friends, or group of friends to join you on our website. When you do this, you can earn more money. There are direct referrals, rented referrals, and bot referrals, as you can see here on the left. However, you should only concentrate on direct recommendations. People have therefore been making a respectable living from our platform, and they only use references and watch videos to accomplish that. And with that, we're done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.